Have you ever wanted to transport the majesty of the Rocky Mountains right into your Lumion scene? Or perhaps you needed to show your design in the picturesque beauty of the project site's rolling hills. This is all possible with the new height maps in Lumion 10. Turn on the OpenStreetMaps dialog from the Landscape tab. Click on the GPS coordinate button, then search for a location. Adjust the import area, and be sure to switch on the Download Height Maps button. Click the Start OSM Download button and watch the magic happen. With the new height maps in Lumion 10, you can recreate the actual elevation surrounding your project, from small gradual climbs to mountainous jagged peaks. The final results shown in context are equal parts beautiful and accurate.